Is it possible to cancel student loans? That's a question that's bounced around the minds of many. Today, we'll be taking a deep dive into this very topic, demystifying the process and shedding light on the circumstances and requirements that can lead to student loan cancellation. To start, it's important to understand that not all student loans can be canceled. Typically, federal student loans offer the most opportunities for cancellation, while private loans rarely do. The first method of canceling student loans is through a process called loan forgiveness. This is usually tied to certain kinds of employment. For instance, teachers working in low-income schools or public service employees may be eligible for loan forgiveness after a certain number of years of service. Next up is loan discharge. This is a bit more serious than forgiveness, as it usually happens due to dire circumstances. For example, if a school closes while a student is enrolled or soon after they withdraw, that student may be eligible for a loan discharge. Other grounds for discharge can include becoming permanently disabled or, in rare cases, declaring bankruptcy. Lastly, student loans can be canceled through income-driven repayment plans. These are plans that cap your monthly loan payments at a certain percentage of your discretionary income. After a period of 20 to 25 years, any remaining balance on the loan is forgiven. But what do you need to cancel your student loans? Documentation and lots of it. For loan forgiveness, you'll need proof of employment and proof that you've made your loan payments. For a loan discharge, you'll need to provide documentation of the circumstances leading to the discharge, like medical records if you're claiming permanent disability. Now, it's worth noting that canceled loans can sometimes be considered taxable income, so it's always a good idea to consult with a tax professional when pursuing student loan cancellation. To sum up, canceling student loans is possible, but it's not always easy. It's typically reserved for federal loans and can occur through loan forgiveness, loan discharge, or income-driven repayment plans. Each method has its own set of requirements and necessary documentation. And don't forget about the potential tax implications. So while canceling student loans may seem like a daunting task, with the right information and preparation, it can become a feasible goal. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding the process and requirements can be your first step towards financial freedom. Thank you for joining this exploration into the world of student loan cancellation.